to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
What up, on guys? Welcome back to another Let's Go JA Tours, and today we're going to be taking a trip on the Palisadoes road. This road connects Port Royal and the Norman Airport to Kingston. So don't forget to like and comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to see more tours of the beautiful country of Jamaica. So now relax, drink a rich chai and enjoy the ride. A lot of road work was done to repair as well as to protect this roadway. Back in the past, in the late 1990s and the early 2000s, whenever heavy rainfall as well as storms take place, the surge will eat away the shoreline, and this will cause flooding on this road. And as we know, this is the only way for you to get in and out of the Port Royal as well as to the Norman International Airport. So the government in Jamaica, along with the government of China, did a lot of work to this road. This cost Jamaica over $65 million, and it took around 18 months to be completed. It started in April the 1st, 2010 to October the 1st, 2011. So what was done? Well, first we have a rock wall that was constructed to, as you can see to the left, and this helps the roadway from the heavy rains and the heavy winds to protect this roadway here. They also have raised the road about 2 or 3 meters from above sea level. Before it was about 1 meter above sea level. They also have added drains as well as a walkway, which you can see to the right there. A lot of persons use it for jogging or exercising or even cycling in the mornings. So if you come here in the early mornings, especially on a Saturday and a Sunday, you see a lot of persons exercising, as well as sometimes in the night. There are also lamps, and these lamps are solar lamps, and they have around 18 of them. And they've also made benches and so forth, so persons can sit down and relax. A lot of persons use this Palisadoes road here, or what we call airport road, just to chill out with friends and families and relax and take in the beautiful Kingston Harbor. right is the entrance to the Caribbean Maritime University, and that is where if you want to do any form of to work on ships and so forth, you can head there. This has brought us to the end of our tour, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you like the content. Wanna stay good until we link up again on another Let's Go JA Tours.